How to monetize a YouTube channel fast in 2025. The digital landscape in 2025 offers unprecedented opportunities for earning money through video content. YouTube remains a dominant platform, evolving with new features and policies to support content creators. To tap into this potential, it's crucial to understand the changing dynamics of the platform and adopt strategies that align with current trends. By leveraging these advancements, you can quickly turn your YouTube channel into a profitable venture. This section will outline the fundamental steps you need to take to position your channel for rapid monetization, focusing on the latest tools and techniques that can help accelerate your journey. Before moving forward, if you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe to our channel. Grasping YouTube's updated policies. Navigating YouTube's ever-changing policies is crucial for any creator aiming to monetize a channel quickly. In 2025, YouTube has introduced several key changes. New eligibility requirements for the partner program include a higher threshold of subscribers and watch hours, ensuring that only quality content makes the cut. The platform also emphasizes compliance with community guidelines to maintain monetization status. These changes directly impact how creators can monetize their channels. By understanding these requirements and aligning your content strategy accordingly, you can maintain eligibility and take full advantage of YouTube's monetization features. Enhancing engagement for quicker income. Increasing viewer interaction is crucial for quickly generating income on YouTube. Engaged audiences are more likely to watch ads, click affiliate links, and purchase products. To boost engagement, encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Implement effective calls to action and create content that aligns with your audience's interests. Effective strategies include maintaining a consistent uploading schedule and utilizing relatable storytelling. Interactive content such as polls and Q&A sessions can also enhance viewer participation. These approaches help retain your audience and motivate them to return for more, which ultimately increases your channel's profitability. Optimizing videos for maximum profit. Investing in high-quality equipment and editing software is essential to create visually appealing and professionally produced videos. Quality content not only keeps viewers engaged, but also encourages longer watch times, which can boost ad revenue. Focus on clear audio and crisp visuals to enhance the viewing experience. SEO techniques play a crucial role in increasing your video's visibility. Craft compelling titles, descriptions, and tags that include relevant keywords to help your videos rank higher in search results. This can attract a broader audience and increase the chances of monetization through ads and other revenue streams. Additionally, create custom thumbnails that capture attention and accurately represent your content. Thumbnails are often the first impression potential viewers have of your video, so making them eye-catching can lead to higher click-through rates. Consistency is key. Maintain a regular posting schedule to keep your audience engaged and returning for more. The more content you produce, the more opportunities you have to generate income. Lastly, utilize YouTube's end screens and cards to promote other videos, encourage subscriptions, and keep viewers on your channel longer. This can increase overall watch time and boost your channel's profitability. Exploring additional revenue opportunities. Diversifying your income streams can significantly speed up monetization for your YouTube channel. Sponsorships and brand deals offer substantial revenue. Align with brands that match your niche and values to form genuine partnerships. Additionally, explore affiliate marketing by recommending products or services that resonate with your audience. Each purchase made through your affiliate links can earn you a commission. These varied revenue streams can complement ad earnings and enhance your channel's profitability. Harnessing social media to increase traffic. Leveraging social media platforms can amplify your reach and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Cross-promote your videos on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook to attract a broader audience. Share behind-the-scenes content or teaser clips to generate interest and anticipation for new uploads. Building a community outside of YouTube also enhances your brand's presence. Engage with your audience through social media to deepen connections and encourage them to follow your content across multiple platforms, increasing your potential for monetization. Utilize features like Instagram Stories, Twitter Fleets, and Facebook Live to create interactive and engaging content that directs viewers to your YouTube channel. Collaborate with other influencers to tap into their follower base and gain new subscribers. Monitoring results and tweaking strategies. Analyzing your performance data is essential for refining your approach and maximizing your channel's profitability. Utilize YouTube analytics to gain insights into viewer behavior, including watch time, demographics, and engagement metrics. This data helps pinpoint what content resonates most with your audience and highlights areas for improvement. Adjust your content strategy based on these insights. Test different content formats, posting times, and engagement tactics to determine what works best. Regularly reviewing this data allows you to stay in tune with your audience's preferences and make informed decisions that enhance engagement and revenue. Keep an eye on the performance of your videos over time to identify trends and patterns that can inform future content creation. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and incorporating feedback into your content strategy. This fosters a loyal community and increases viewer retention. By being proactive and adaptable, you can effectively enhance your channel's growth and profitability. If you enjoyed from this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future interesting videos.